Okay. In your mouth. Put it in your mouth to do it. Inside. Yeah, that's the right side, honey. This side. Try it. Show me. Show me. You do it. Hard. In your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Inside. Open up. You got it. You wipe down my leg first? Okay. Now try it. You're good. Can you put that in your mouth and do it?
Grandma, do it.
Grandma, do it. Do you like that? Oops, right in the noggin. Here you go, honey, that side. Remember? In your mouth. Hard. Whoa, you did good. How are you being, silly girl? Because I got the camera turned on.
Out.
Your hair is full of static. Oh my goodness. What? Oh, that's itchy. That's from the chicken pox. Don't pick it, please. You got the chicken pox on your belly. Are they itchy still? They make you itch? You can have a little bath and some baking soda and water. Make it feel better.
Will I help you?
Would you like me to help you? Yes. Let me see. What are you looking for? There's one there. Let's see. Another one there. And a belly button right there. You're a little itchy girl. You want to have your bath?
I'll go pee.
Okay, let's go.